Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. How to use Microsoft 365 online apps, Outlook, Excel, Word and PowerPoint tutorial video. Open Microsoft Edge Internet Browser. Now type https://outlook.office365.com. Input your email ID respectively, and for tutorial I'll be using bytevision.technology@outlook.com email account. Sign into Microsoft Edge. Get signed in everywhere. Automatically sign into this site and other Microsoft sites when you sign into Microsoft Edge. Click No, thanks. If not required, sign into sync data. Sign in, send notification. Click to proceed next step. Check your Authenticator app. In your Authenticator app on your iOS, select the number shown to sign in. This is called multi-factor authenticate process or two-way authentication to secure your email account. Once approved from Authenticator app by pressing or selecting 82 passcode. Is your security info still accurate? Verified your email ID and click looks good. Click yes to stay signed in. Now we are on Outlook Mail web interface. Your mail inbox, sent items, drafts, junk email, deleted items, archive and notes extra. Top rightmost, click on App Launcher. Here you will find Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft 365, Outlook, OneDrive, Clipchamp, Designer, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Forms Extra. Now click to Microsoft 365 app. Welcome to Microsoft 365. We're so glad you are here. Click Next. We'll show you some tips to help you personalize and organize Microsoft your way. Follow the Tips Wizard to understand the Microsoft 365, otherwise you can ignore Tips Wizard. Now let's learn how to use online Excel app. Click on Excel icon to open Excel app. Click on blank workbook to create new Excel file. Here you will get same Microsoft Excel web base like Microsoft Excel desktop app. Web base online Excel app has same functionality and feature. However, your Excel workbook save automatically on your OneDrive storage space. You can rename your Excel workbook, or you can move to any path, online or offline path. Here you can set the Excel app ribbon layout accordingly, like classic ribbon, single line ribbon and show ribbon feature like always show ribbon, show tabs only or adjust automatically as your choice. Now let's go to Microsoft Word, click on Word icon and click blank document to create new Word document file. Microsoft Word Web Online have same feature and functionality. Once you start typing on Microsoft Word document system will automatically save the document on your OneDrive storage space. Next we will show you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. Now click on PowerPoint app icon. Click on blank presentation to create new file. Now you can create your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation files accordingly. Right-click in the select new slide to add more presentation slides. Your PowerPoint presentation file save automatically on your OneDrive account. Start slideshow from current slide, Shift plus Control plus F5. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.